In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Wix banner from your website step by step. This is a very common question, especially if you're customizing your site and want a cleaner, more professional look. Whether you're working on a personal project or a business website, removing unwanted banners can really improve the overall design. I'll walk you through the exact process inside Wix Studio, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to click and where to go. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Log in using the account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, select the site where the banner appears. This will open the Wix Studio editor, where you can visually see and edit all the elements on your page. Give the editor a moment to fully load so everything displays correctly. Now that you're inside Wix Studio, navigate to the page where the banner is visible. Scroll if needed and locate the banner you want to remove. In most cases, this banner could be a promotional strip, announcement bar, or a design element added earlier. Click directly on the banner so it becomes selected. When it's selected, you should see an outline or editing options appear around it, confirming that you have the correct element selected. Next, with the banner selected, right-click on it using your mouse. This will open a context menu with multiple options. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete. Click on Delete and the banner will be removed instantly from your page. If you accidentally delete the wrong element, don't worry, you can always use the Undo option or press Ctrl-Z or Command-Z on your keyboard to bring it back. After deleting the banner, take a moment to review how your page looks. Make sure the spacing and layout still look good now that the banner is gone. Sometimes removing a banner can leave extra space, so you may want to adjust nearby elements slightly for a cleaner layout. Once you're happy with the changes, make sure to save your work. Click the Save button in the editor to ensure your changes are not lost. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your site. This lets you see exactly how your website will look to visitors. Check both desktop and mobile views to confirm the banner is completely removed across all screen sizes. Finally, when everything looks good, publish your site so the changes go live. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Wix banner using Wix Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials, website tips, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.